Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, CHS. I'm your host, Gabe McDonald, and welcome to the third Morning Buzz episode of the year. Today is Friday, October 8th, a D-Day. Panorama is the school's literary and art magazine. We sat down with Sana, Edison, and Zarina to tell us more.
We are now accepting submissions for the winter issue of Panorama. We publish a magazine twice a year, and all students are encouraged to participate by submitting their writing or art for possible publication.
Student members of the Panorama staff select the work for publication and create the design and layout for the magazine.
If you are interested in submitting your writing or art, please scan the QR code on the posters around school or on the screen. Submissions must be received by Friday, November 12th. If you have any questions, please reach out to Miss Claps or Miss Durr. We can't wait to see your work.
That sounds great. Don't forget to use those QR codes to make your submissions. Next, let's touch base with our students to see how they feel being back in school.
How was your first month back in school?
I mean, it's been all right. It's been kind of mid, to be honest, but I think it's going pretty well.
I think it's been pretty good. I'm glad to be back.
All right, how was your first month back in school?
It's been good. It's been hectic getting back into it, but I'm happy to be back in school and in person again.
All right, how was your first month back in school?
It's been really fun. I've really enjoyed getting to do some of the things that we didn't get to do the past few years, like going to football games and doing tailgates.
It felt great to be back in school with everyone. I personally missed seeing all my friends and teachers. This week, for the Captain's Crunch segment, we sat down with the football team.
Hey, my name is Kevin Avon. Welcome back to the Captain's Crunch. Today I'm with the football captains. Tell me, what are your names, numbers, and positions?
My name is Tommy Vanover. I'm number 77 and I play center.
My name is Jake Langle. I wear number 8 and I play wide receiver and defensive back.
My name is Tim McEwen. I'm number 10 and I play quarterback.
So what has been your favorite varsity moment thus far?
My favorite varsity moment was either last week or 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago we played Ewing and won on a very tight game at home. And last week we played Hamilton West on their homecoming and beat them 21-0.
I'd have to say my favorite varsity moment was 2 weeks ago against Ewing, scoring the game-winning touchdown.
I would say mine would be against Ewing too, throwing the game-winning touchdown.
What is your favorite warm-up song?
My favorite warm-up song would probably have to be For Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica.
My favorite warm-up song is definitely I'm So Sorry by Imagine Dragons.
My favorite warm-up song is probably One More Time by Daft Punk.
What is your favorite cereal?
My favorite cereal will be probably Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
My favorite cereal is Honey Nut Cheerios.
My favorite cereal is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
All right, thanks guys. And now we're gonna throw it back to Gabe in the studio.
And next, one of our fan favorites, the movie mystery.
That's great. Now get back against the wall.
But that's okay.
What? What's going on?
'Cause I did what everyone said a kid couldn't do. I made it to Shell City, and I beat the Cyclops, and I rode the Hasselhoff, and I brought the crown back.
All right, we get the point.
So yeah, I'm a kid, and I'm also a goofball, and a wingnut, and a knucklehead McSpagatron.
What's going on here?
But most of all, I'm...
Hey, settle down. Take it easy. What the scallop?
I'm a goofy goober!
For those who don't know, last week's movie mystery was Spider-Man 2. That's all for this week, everyone. That's 3 shows in the books, and we look forward to bringing you plenty more. Until next time.